Hey guys, guess what we got? Another box. Let's see what's inside. So this guy here is an HVLP 9.5 Pro Comp series. An HVLP sprayer is high volume, low pressure. So basically what it's doing is there's a high volume of air and low pressure with the fluid. So these units are really great for doors, trim, fine finish stuff, cabinets, anything that you need that nice glass finish on it. So now the fun time. So guys, these are really packed really good. They're nice and tight. It's jammed full of goodness. And right off the bat, we see the nice new Edge 2 Plus gun, which is an HVLP only gun. So as you can see, it's really nice lightweight. It's got chrome plastic handle. Trigger's very easy to pull. And then it's got the easy release. So if you have to clean it out or anything, it's very easy to clean out. Then this particular unit comes with a quart pressure pot, which I'll very carefully undo here. So what this pot does is eliminates the cup on the gun. So you're gonna lose all the weight of that cup on the gun. So guys, we have the collapsible cup, then we have the refillable cups. The cleaner you keep them, the longer they last. We also have a strap for the pot. We have your power cord and manual. Your whip air hose. This is your main air hose. And then this is your fluid and air hose combo. And now, what you've been waiting for the whole time, last but not least, is the actual turbine. Now guys, this turbine is great. It has a 5-stage fan system in it. So basically what it is there's 5 different fans pushing the air through the system. It's got the nice air filter on it here, as you can see. And another nice feature this guy has is if you don't pull the trigger in 15 seconds, it actually shuts the unit off to prevent overheating. As soon as you pull the trigger again, it actually kicks the unit back in and you're ready to rock. So we have on off here. So this is the low speed. This is high speed. Now you can actually control the speed of the fan as well. That way being the lowest and that way being the highest. This guy here is for a compressor. So when you're running the pot, you have to turn this on to build pressure into the pot. So guys, this thing has a really neat feature on it where it actually has a little compartment for your needles. So inside here we have the number 4 needle kit. And we also have the number 5 that's in storage. And then inside the gun is the number 3 kit. So on these kits, the lower the number, the finer the spray, and obviously the higher the number, the more coverage you're gonna get instead of just a fine finish. And guys, this is probably one of the neatest things I've ever seen on a rig where you actually have your needle kit mounted right on your machine, so you're not going through your truck to look for these things or a toolbox or leave them on site and never see them again. So first off, we have the gun, which is an Edge Plus 2 gun, which is the newest Graco fine finish HVLP gun that's out. It has your fan size, your fluid control, and obviously your trigger. So you have your choice between a 1-quart cup or a 2-quart pot. The cup is actually mounted onto the gun, like so. I don't have the connection on me right now, but it mounts on like that. And these are the refill cups for this cup here. Basically, you would just pop your air hose off, unscrew it, and that just goes in like so. Now that cup collapses so you can go upside down, left, right, it doesn't matter. And that just goes on easy peasy, and then your air tube actually goes into a little slot there, so it's not dangling around. What if you need more paint and you don't want to keep filling that cup up? Well, we have the 2-quart pot. This is connected by a fluid hose and an air hose to the actual unit, and then there's an air hose and fluid hose that runs off of this onto your gun. So the good thing about this is all the weight is off of the gun and your hand is free to go any which direction you need. If you have a tight area to get in, you can get into it. It actually comes with a pressure gauge and an adjustment, so you can actually adjust the pressure. If you need more pressure for your fluid or less pressure, we can adjust it to what you like. So guys, this is a whip hose for the air. Basically what this does is just makes it a little bit more maneuverable. It's a little bit less stiff and you can get into those weird, hard to reach spots. So this here is an air fluid combo. So fluid would go through this and air would go through this guy. This is for your compressor. So this would go from the compressor to the pot. And last but not least, the big air hose. So this goes from the unit to the gun. As you can see, it has a bottom mount, and that supplies all the drive for the paint and your spray. Then we also have a little carrying kit for your pot, so you don't have to have it sitting anywhere. It can actually be with you at all times. Then we have the power cord and the manual. This will tell you everything you need to know about this machine. Okay guys, so the pros and cons on this lovely machine. We'll start off with the pros because I always love pros. Really good thing about this guy is it's got the smart start. Basically what happens to a lot of these machines is they overheat when you do not spray. It has to have moving air for it to cool down at all times. If you don't pull the trigger, there's no moving air. So if you don't pull the trigger for 15 seconds on this unit actually shuts down so it doesn't overheat. Pull the trigger, she fires back up again. Not really a con on this, but it does take a little bit of time to lay out your paint. You are slowing down a bit for more control. Unlike these airless units, it's all about speed, coverage, get in, get out, done. We're taking our time here because we want to make sure it's perfect. This machine is for mostly professionals and people that are doing high-end work. So if you think this machine is ideal for you and you want to pick it up, check out the link below. Well, no, I just don't want to, you know, this, and then call you back. Don't put that one on. That's it for this one, guys. Wait till you, no, sorry. That's it for this one. See you next time.
See you on the next one.
Oh, see you on the next one. That's what